Most affiliate programs sound great until you test the numbers. I'm not here to pitch. I'm here to document. This video is called Home Business Cost Testing Residuals Without the Hype. If you've ever wondered whether HBA's pricing actually holds up under scrutiny, stay with me. I'm breaking it down step by step. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the exact tier I started with, why I skipped the upsells, and how I'm testing the system without spending more than I need to. No screenshots, no inflated earnings, just a clean rebuild path that you can audit for yourself. If you're rebuilding like I am, hit that like button so I know this kind of breakdown matters. I read every single comment, especially from skeptics. Let's document this together. Now here's what I'm covering. The real cost of joining HBA, what you actually get for each tier, how it compares to other funnel builders, why residual income matters more than ever, and whether it's worth it if you're starting from zero. I'm documenting this as someone who's rebuilding, not performing. No hype, no urgency, just clarity. If you've tested other platforms and hit a wall, boom, hit a wall, I have, drop a comment with what tripped you up. I'm reverse engineering this in public, and your feedback shapes the next video. HBA has 4 launching tiers. Freedom Launchpad, which is $12 a month. Entry Level Mindset and Foundational Training. Funnel Builder Academy, that's the main one. $25 a month, and that's the one I have. Includes HBA's custom funnel builder and tutorials. Premium Academy, $125 a month. Traffic, conversions, masterminds, and full commission unlock. Financial Literacy Academy, one-time $100. Optional, but required for full all-in commissions. Total monthly cost if you go all in, $162. Potential earnings, $120 a month per premium referral residual. You can start 12 and scale up, no pressure, no urgency triggers. Now most people want to start with the $25 option, which is what I started with, and you earn $20 a month for every single person in your that joins with you. Okay, so if I bring in, say, Steve, and I'm paying $25, I now have $20 a month every single month. If I bring in Steve and Roberta, I got $40 a month, and I'm in profit. And I'm getting that every single month. Makes sense? So let's talk about the $25 level. Funnel Builder Academy. This isn't just a tool, it's a trust-first launchpad. For $25 a month, here's what you get. Unlimited funnels and pages, custom domains, built-in traffic training, live weekly support, 80% residual commissions. Now, I don't think the custom domains is correct. Okay, 80% residual commissions though. 80% is no matter what. So even if you are doing the one-time 100, you make $80 per $100. So if you come in $100 and then you bring in somebody at the same $100, you get $80 each time. Okay, so 80% is no matter what, and you're also feeding starving kids. So that's pretty damn cool, right? At $25 a month, you're not buying features you won't use. You're buying clarity, speed, and mentorship. It's lean enough for beginners, but powerful enough for pros. And it's the only funnel builder I've tested that feels like it was built by marketers, not engineers. Now, if you've ever paid $97 for a funnel builder and felt overwhelmed, tap subscribe. I'm documenting the rebuild with tools that actually make sense. Now let's compare the usual suspects. HBA, $25, unlimited, pays 80% residual, and they have a weekly live and archive, so you can watch other ones, from the past and get training, right? So ClickFunnels, $97 to start. And it is limited and only pays 30% to 40%. So, let me get this straight. For our $100, which is $3 more, okay, you'd make $80. So that's every two True for everyone, okay? Because you only make 30% to 40%. And then there's System.io, which is free to $27 a month. And it's tiered. I think the free only comes with three funnel pages, okay? The affiliate commissions is 50%. Again, nothing's close to this 80%. Groove.cm, free to $99. And it's tiered. So none of these are unlimited like ours. 20 to 40%. And the support style is mixed and inconsistent. And drop funnels is $49 or more. And it does have unlimited, but the commission styles are only 30-40%. Now look, 80% residual, okay? Most platforms either charge more or deliver less. HBA's funnel builder hits the sweet spot. Low cost, high leverage, and built-in mentorship. Now save this video if you're not ready yet. Bookmark it, screenshot it, because when you're ready to rebuild, you'll want this clarity. Now let's talk about residual income. We all have residual bills, right? Oh my goodness. Everything's so expensive right now. Gas, rent, electricity, water, garbage, cell phones. These hit every single month whether we work or not. So why not build residual income that stacks the same way? One funnel builder referral is $20 a month. One premium referral is $120 a month, but you get $100 for that, right? So that's $120 between the two. 10 of both would be $1,200 a month. That's not hype, that's math. Residual income means you earn from past effort without trading time for every dollar. So if you made $2,000 in a traditional, let's say, MLM or affiliate marketing, right? Then you're back at, and the next month you're back at zero. What if you earn zero the next month? Okay, now if you earned $2,000, let's say in their first 3 months with HBA, right? Guess what? You're starting at $2,000, and let's say you make none. You're still at that same $2,000, but let's say you make $200. Now you're at $2,200, $2,400, $2,600. See how that residual income compounds? You always start with the same amount of members times whatever. Let's say you have 50 members at $20 a month. That's 1,000. Now imagine how many of those are actually doing the $100. That's $80 a pop for those, right? If you're at that level, okay? It's not magic, it's compounding logic. You're not starting over, you're stacking forward. If residual bills hit you every single month, residual income should too, right? Now, share this with someone who's still trading time for every dollar. Let's flip the frame. I want to show you something real quick, okay? How we can actually help you build any business, okay? We're building a team site, and I've seen this team site before. Now, we're actually showing you, okay? You see how I'm not signed in? Okay, sign in. So these are actual rankings. And I'm going to go down, and I'm only going to tell you members of our team, okay? For this is Home Business Academy Review. Okay, that is a team member right there. One of the top 3 shorts. Okay, that's a team member, Ari Ortiz. I'm only going to do our team with our training. Okay, that's a video from me. Make money on with JJ. Guess what? Another make money on with JJ. Guess what? Another make money on with JJ. Another video by me. All me. 4 in a row, okay? And guess what? This is review. Do you see review? It ranks. Beginners. DFY marketing system. None of these have review in it. Academy review. So the more you the more you make these videos that are copy and paste simple, like we show you exactly what to do and what videos to make, what to name them, what to include, and then once you make one, you just copy and paste over the details. We'll show you in our training how to do it over to the next video and just change the title. Real simple, okay? But very, 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 very powerful, okay? Here's another one by Make Money On with JJ. That's me. That's 5 videos. And here's another one from our team, Postcard Lifestyle. So that's 5 videos from me, an REOTs, and then we had 2, one short and Postcard Lifestyle already from our team. So it's like, you ever played Monopoly? I'm sure you have, right? Here's another Postcard Lifestyle, make money on with JJ. Okay? Another. This isn't review. Back office. Postcard Lifestyle. So you play Monopoly, you're familiar with the concept, right? You buy these properties, you buy the houses, you buy the hotels, and these are all properties on YouTube and Google. Home Business Academy review. Okay? And now, Home Base Academy comp plan, Home Business Academy compensation plan. Is Home Base Business Academy legit? And we will own all those. You will learn how to do this. And not only will you learn, but we're going to teach your whole team too. So imagine you plug somebody into this training, right? And you build any business. Okay? We're building this team site, and I've seen this team site before. I'll show you a similar one in another video, right? Okay, so, but I also want to show you this right here, right? So, funnel, I want to show you that I'm actually a member and what I actually do with the funnel builder. Now, look at all these videos, right? These are all video funnel pages, right? We're closing in on 75 videos, okay? And about 60 of those are actual videos, funnels. Now, check this out. This is really cool, right? So, we're going to go into this one, right? I'm going to copy and paste the whole thing. Well, I'm going to see half of it because there's a YouTube TV. So, we're going to copy that, right? And we're going to change the video. And we're going to pretend it's the whole one. But you saw what I copied, right? Paste. Boom. So, that would be the whole title, right? Now, we're going to go to the actual video, right? I'm going to share. I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go over to the website, right? I'm going to change the video. Now look, it's a guy with his thumbs up wearing black, right? Simple Freedom Warriors review. Now watch this. Of course it's not doing. Okay, Control V. Alright, that should do it. Okay, let's try again. I don't know why it's not pasting. There it goes. Okay. Now watch this. Boom! There's my video, right? It's just been changed. Okay? Really cool, right? And that's the type of training we're giving you. Not just that, but how to take that and put it on, not just YouTube, but TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. And guess what? Every time you do that and you put your video on a different platform, you're just getting more and more backlinks, more and more fuel to the fire. Like more briquettes for your barbecue, right? We teach you all this stuff that everybody else is scared to teach you. Your rent doesn't pause when you're sick. Your phone bill doesn't care if you've lost your job. Your water bill doesn't wait for your next paycheck. Residual bills demand residual income. That's why I'm testing HBA, not for hype, but for sustainability. And I'm actually using it. You can see this. And I'm showing you how easy it is to. And there's training, tons of it in the system. I'm not chasing screenshots, I'm chasing systems. Okay? If you ever felt like you built a funnel and felt like it didn't reflect you, comment real below. I'm using my actual photo, my actual words, and documenting what happens. Now you've just seen Home Business Academy cost. Testing the residuals without the hype. If you want to see the full setup, walkthrough, and support system, go to johnsally.com/HBA -CP. The link's in the description, okay? No hype, no pressure, just a clean rebuild point for anyone starting from zero. You'll see exactly what I see. There's tons of training here, but I'm telling you, look at this. Training, look all this training. Okay, they're all videos. Okay? And there's also a chat. Look at this. They feed starving children, right? If you're rebuilding like I am, this might be the most congruent starting point you'll see our year. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.